Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Cloudpresenter. Cloudpresenter is an webinar and streaming software. You can host remote team meetings, online courses, and virtual events with interactive poll, Q&As, and live chat by using this Cloudpresenter software. And it's an alternative of Zoom, GoToWebinar, and On24. And see, they're saying that Cloudpresenter is an all-in-one video conferencing platform for remote meeting, online courses, and virtual events. They're offering their lifetime deal on AppSumo, and as you can see, the license tier 1 pricing is 39 USD. Here you will get one team member account, 100 seats, audience size, one presenter, 60 minutes webinar duration, unlimited meeting duration, and custom branding is also available in license tier 1, and it will support 1080p video conferencing, they are saying. And if you need more team member and more number of seat, then you have to upgrade to more tier. And see, the maximum license tier is a license tier 4, which is 399 USD. Here you will get 1200 seat audience size. So depending on your need, you have to upgrade basically. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Cloudpresenter and let's explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for us. But before going to the dashboard, the thing that I want to show you guys, we are running lifetime deal giveaway campaign in every week on this Passivern YouTube channel. See, this giveaway campaign is now running. If you are interested to join, you are cordially invited to join, guys. I'll give the URL of this lifetime deal giveaway campaign in the description of this video. Anyway guys, this is the dashboard of Cloudpresenter, and here you will see your total capacity, that means number of seat you have. You will see your number of recordings, you can see your content library space, and your bird eye view basically you can see here inside the dashboard. And then they have schedule. But before exploring these features, the main thing that I want to show you is just this meeting. Just click here on this new meeting and your meeting will be started. Here you have to insert your topic. Let's say the topic is Passivern video, and then here you can add your URL. Let's say I'll add like Passivern, and see, you can customize it basically, and then just copy it. And after copying it, you can share this URL to others, and you can start it. And you can also generate password. You can generate the password. I'm not generating, but you can generate if you want. And duration, you can select 15 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on your need. Let's say I'll select here 15 minutes. Here you can select the time zone, and you can invite participant. You can invite by their first name, last name, and email. You can add them as audience presenter and guest presenter. Let's say I will add here this email. Let's say this is the name, and I will add this person as presenter. So just select here presenter and then click on this add. See, this person has added here as presenter. And similarly, let's say this person I want to add as guest presenter. So just select here guest presenter and then just click here add, and see, this person has added here. Similarly, you can add as audience also. So these are the things. If everything okay, and there have advanced option. If I just go to this advanced option section, then here it's showing these features. Basically, you can add description here. Let's say I will add here some dummy text just for test purpose. Let's say this is my text, and then you can add here agenda also. And then they have some feature: do not attach or link a calendar file to the invitation email. You can attach a calendar file to the invitation email. You can add a link to the calendar file to the invitation email also. And then you can attach agenda as a file. Then there have display custom instruction. You can give here custom instruction. And then there have add custom data for this session. So you can also add custom data. So these are the things. These are the things in the advanced section basically. And then just click here on this add a schedule. Then this meeting will be scheduled. But before scheduling, see, there have more functions. There have participant. You can add your participant from here. I have added 2 participant here. You can here change the settings of access. You can make it private or public, and then you can select the guest, join as presenter, audience, and guest presenter. You can enable breakout rooms. You can enable turn on lobby. You can enable restrict early access. You can enable make visible on your public page. So in everything you can change basically. Then they have audio, video, and content. You can here select automatically start audio and video broadcast of presenters when they enter. Let's say you do not want it, just untick it, then it will not happen basically. So from here you can basically control it, every part of your webinar. And then they have registration. You can select no registration needed, you can allow the registration, and in this case you have to select which information you want basically from here, and then you can require registration also. So let's say I'll select here no registration, just to keep this things simple. And then they have sent invitation, you can send the invitation, you can edit the email template from here basically. See, you can change the email templates from here, and then this type of email your invited person will get automatically. So these are the things. Now after doing everything, just click here on this add to schedule, and then it will be added. Okay, let's say I'll just click here save, and then this meeting will be scheduled. See here in the schedule section, this meeting has been scheduled. Now if I go to dashboard again, or anywhere you can go, let's say you do not want to schedule this meeting, you just want to run your meeting right now, just click here on this meet now option, and then it will ask you to give camera permission and microphone permission. If you have multiple camera or multiple audio device, then you can select which audio device you want to use, and then just click here on this join. So let me disable this camera from here, and then I will now join here. After clicking on this join button, you will see yourself basically, and see this is me. And there have multiple features guys, they have camera on off. See, whenever I have clicked here, camera just turned off. Now if I click here again, then the camera will be turned on again. So let me click here. So it has been turned on guys. Similarly, you can turn off or turn on your microphone. You can leave or in the session from here, just click here, and see you can disconnect audience user, you can leave the session, you can in the session. Then they have a raise hand option or lower hand option here in this section. And then they have participant, you can see all your participant from here, you can see all your guest participant and audiences from here basically. And then they have chat option, you can chat with your participant, let's say hi. And you can also private chat here. If you have multiple um, audience here, then basically here you can select to who is audience or to who is person you want to send this message, and then just select this person and then send the message. And in this way you can send the message, you can communicate from the back end basically. Then they have question answer. Let's say I will add here one question. Let's say I will add like what okay, let's say have you sub. Here you can ask question to your audience. Let's say here question one, question. Let's say this is one question. You can ask anonymously, you can ask by your name also. You can enable voting, you can disable voting. See, request public vote, you can request for public vote, and whenever you will request, one vote option will be added here. And this is one vote option basically, people can vote from here. You can disable it from here, just click on this stop public voting. You can queue this question for live answer, you can edit this question also from here if you want. Hope you get idea guys. Here you can basically question answer in this way. If you do live course by using this Cloudpresenter, then in this way you can basically ask question to your students. And here you can filter unanswered question and answered question and queued for live answer question. And then they have export question, you can export all the question, you can make all the questions public in one click. You can clear the questions from here just by clicking on this clear question. So these are the things. Hope you get idea guys about this question answer option. Then they have share screen option. You can select your screen, and then you can share your screen to your audience. I'm not sharing right now, but it's possible guys. You have to just select your screen from here, and then you can share your screen with your audience. And then there have whiteboard. Here in the whiteboard you can write in different way. As you can see, there have two pen. This is one pen and this is another pen. And then there have brush, you can also have brush. And then there have eraser option, so you can erase this text from here or any functions from here you can erase. Then there have line, you can draw here line. And then they have shape, two shapes are available. The first one is rectangle, and the second one here is ellipse or round shape basically. And then they have text, you can add here text. Let's say I will add here subscribe. And then there have select, you can select any part from here if you want. Then the last option is pointer, you can see here is the pointer. And if you want to delete everything, just click on this remove, and then it will be removed. So these are the things, guys. Here in this whiteboard section, you can use this whiteboard in case of your presentation, in case of your live class, etc. And then there have the content library. Here you can upload your images. See, this is one image, and here you can see your image and you can present your image with others. Just click on the show and then it will be shown to your audience. And now how you can upload these things, just click here on this create new, and then here you can upload new folder, you can upload new file, you can here add YouTube video, and then here you can add Vimeo video, you can add file from your URL, and then you can add web app also. And as you can see here, let's say I want to add one YouTube video, just click here and then here you have to insert the YouTube video URL. Let's say here, see, I have added one YouTube video previously. If I just double click here, see, this is my YouTube video. Now if I want, I can video from here. As you can see here, my video is playing. Hope you get idea. Similarly, you can show your any kind of videos from YouTube, Vimeo. You can show here any kind of documents. You have to just upload it and then you can showcase it to your audience basically. Then they have shared notes. If you have any shared notes, then you can share it. Let's say here I will share, please sub, let's say please subscribe. Let's say this is one of my note, and here you can bold it, you can italic it. As you can see here at the bottom, there have bold option, italic option, and strike option. You can also add here emojis. Let's say this is our emojis, and this uh, notes will be shared with your audience. Hope you get idea. And then they have option for live streaming, and in case of live streaming, they are supporting only YouTube and Facebook. Hope they will increase these functionalities in future. Let's say I want to um, stream on Twitter, on Reddit, or on any other social platform, but right now I can only stream on YouTube and Facebook. You have to just insert your stream key here, and then you can start streaming also by using this Cloudpresenter. And the next option is recorder. You can record your meetings from here. Just you have to click here. See, whenever I have clicked here, here one blue mark has added. Now if I want to stop the recording, I will click here again and then I can stop recording. So these are the things. Now let's say I want to record it, so it's recording now. See, you can invite more participants from here, and then they have sitting. Inside the sitting, they have workspace. You can create workspace from here. Just click here and then you can create different workspace from here. As you can see, and they have video. You can select your camera from here. You can select HD. You can reduce screen share bandwidth. You can select your audio input output devices from here. You can also add virtual background. See, they have virtual background. You can add these virtual backgrounds. Now let's see how these virtual backgrounds work. Okay, let me delete it, guys, then you will get idea more clearly. Let's say I will now add, I will go to virtual background, and then if I just click here, then let's see what it provides us. Okay, let's say I will add this one, then will it work or not, I'm not sure. So let me apply it, and then if I apply, then see here I'm seeing myself in this background, but it cannot detect me completely. As you can see, it's here inside my head. In my head there have some blurred thing, so it's not completely okay, I think. So this is one function, but they need to improve here basically. Then they have embed code. You can just embed this code on your website, and then your video will be showcased here basically. Then they have tech info. Here you can see your tech info. So these are the things. So you get idea, guys, about these cloud presenters meeting functionalities. You can also stream by using the same functionalities on YouTube and Facebook. So these are the things. Now let's say I want to leave the session, or I want to end the session. Just click here in session, and then the session will be ended. So the session is ending, guys. As you can see, the session is ending. So these are the things. Hope you get idea, guys. In this way, here you have to use this cloud presenter basically. Now if I go to the dashboard again, from here in the recording section, you will get all your recordings. If I go to this recording section, as you can see, here is my recording that I have recorded. You can play it, you can share the URL, you can download it, you can edit the recording, and you can delete the recording from here. After that, they have messages option. Now if I go to this message option, then here you can see your messages. You can create new message. Just click here on this new message, and here you have to insert the email. Let's say the email is um, let's say here this is my team member, let's say, and subject is, let's say this is subject, and let's say this is just my URL, let's say, or this is my message, and then I can send this message. I can save it as draft. Let's say I want to send the message, then the message will be saved. And there have address book. Now if we go to this address book section, here you can see all your team members addresses basically. And then they have uses statistics. Here you can see the statistics of your dashboard, and as you can see it's loading. The statistics are loading. So guys, here you can see the statistics, how much time you have live streamed, how much time you have uh, done the meeting. You can see all your users statistics from here. So these are the things guys here inside this cloud presenter, and here in this dashboard section you can see all the details basically about your account from here. So if you think guys you need one tool by which you can live stream and you can create webinars, then you can get this cloud presenter tool from AppSumo. They are offering their lifetime deal. So if you think you need this type of tool, then you can get it, and depending on your need you have to get the license tier that you need, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this cloud presenter lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think guys this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much guys again for watching this video.